Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to change these moldings. I believe they're called flag cover moldings, I believe.
Northern Performance. Don't miss out, guys. He's the man when it comes to that. No deal.
But yeah, if yours are doing that and peeling and away and they just look like crap, I'm going to show you how to change them today. You're going to want to pick yourself up a set of them. I got these out from the junkyard. They're very delicate to remove if you do get them from the junkyard. And they can break right here, and up here very, very easily. I got lucky, I got these ones off okay. And I got two. So I got a driver's and a passenger. The only other tool you probably need is something like this. I actually recommend more like a plastic trim removal tool. This is the same idea. I just don't have any plastic trim removal tools. I don't know what happened to mine. I had them. I don't know where they are right now. So you're going to want to get your door opened as wide as you can. And if you look right in there, it's hard to see. You'll see your top thing, your top plug, and you can kind of come in. You should be able to pop it. And that one, I don't think I broke it actually. You're gonna then just slide this right up. There it is. And actually, judging by that paint right there, these came off of a scrapyard car already. So, if you have any touch-up paint and you see any scratches or scuffs, now is the time to do that. But we got that guy off, so we'll grab our new one. There is a difference between left and right. You'll see the marking right on the inside of it. We'll come right in, line them up, just wiggle them down just a little bit, line up that hole, and then pop it in. And that's it. That looks so much better than what it was. Just how crusty and worn out this is. Just the rubber is completely decayed. There's one. Grab this other one quick. Do it all in one take. Yeah, you want to get the door as open as far as possible. And again, you can see right up in here kind of where it is. You're gonna want to try and get behind it, and there it is. A little bit of pressure. Then you want to wiggle straight up like that, and out it comes. And you can see right here, left hand side. I guess that's the part number if that's useful to anybody. I'll show you the part number on this, on the passenger side, just in case. Right there. Now we'll grab the new one. Get them lined up. You can kind of see down in there, you're just trying to line them up. And then you're going to wiggle them down. Watch that corner right there. Just like that. And then you line up the top hole and then just press. There it is. That's it. That's all there is to it. Not a crazy hard install. Pretty simple and easy. They're more tricky to get out without breaking. At the scrapyard, I broke a couple of them. Like just right up in here, they break really easy up here. So be careful when you take them off. They do break very, very easily. And yeah, these look like they were already replaced at some point from a scrap car, just because of that green paint. A lot of scrapyards use paint markers, and yeah, to mark their parts when they take them off. So I know the scrapyard I go to, they marked inside of here also. That could be factory marking, but I don't think it is. I think that's scrapyard marking. But yeah, you can see how much better that looks just versus the what they were. So much better. Cleans the car up that much more, makes it look a little bit better. So we'll I'll see you guys in the next video.